Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Panama City Beach local and long-distance movers near me. The local movers in the city, like Panama City Beach local TM movers, specialize in coordinating relocations within it. With their experience, challenges that can make local moving hard can be easily overcome. It's better to hire them when moving than to try to move on your own. When hiring local movers, you should request moving quotes from different moving companies so you can find which ones have great prices. You should also ask about hidden charges to avoid exceeding your budget. If possible, only hire a mover that comes highly recommended by a friend. Panama City Beach long-distance 3 movers and other FL movers specialize in long-distance relocation for those who've had enough of Panama City Beach and Florida and want a new life in a city far away and vice versa. Experienced long-distance movers make moving across state lines like a walk in the park. You should know that the longer the distance you're relocating, the more chances there are of your belongings getting damaged. This fact should push you to confirm that the mover you're hiring has insurance to protect you from damages and loss before you part with your hard-earned money. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Panama City Beach moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.